Bambini, bambine, ecco, fatelo!
She was looking kind of dumb with her finger and her thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead. Well, the kids start coming and they don't stop coming. Back to the rules and I hit the ground running. It makes sense not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart but your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back streets? You'll never know if you don't go. You'll never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you're an all-star.